When it comes to print on demand, one of the most popular tools that the seller use to find the best product is Everbee. So in this video, I'm going to take a close look at Everbee. I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of ways to use it to find winning product, and then I'm going to be telling you the pro and the con of using this product. So I will leave the link in the description for Everbee, guys, in case you're interested after the video. So when you come to Everbee, first you have to create an account. You can use your Google Gmail to sign in with Everbee. When you sign in with Everbee, you have option to sign in with your Etsy store, or you can use Google to sign in, and also you can use your email and password as well to sign in. So I already own an account. I will be signing to my account in a second. Now I'm on my Everbee account. So Everbee has different plan. If you come right here, as you can see, there's a plan for $19.99 a month. So actually it's not 19, it's higher. If you click monthly. So this is one of the things I don't like. This is one of the cons I don't like with those tools. When you first come into any of those software, they only choose the annual option. So I don't know if because they want to make more money, so they choose the annual option. You see the lower price. Let's say you don't know, you just click upgrade. They will lock you with the annual subscription, which will be a lot more headache if you want to cancel it in the future. So I would like for them to put just be transparent, just put the whole price. I don't care if it's $29.99, but at least I know exactly this is what I coming for, right? If I come to get a subscription, I'm looking for something monthly. If I like it, and then I will go to annually. So I'm just saying, guys. So make sure to choose monthly to see the full transparency price. So it's $29.99. This is what I pay currently. So it comes with product analytic, with sale, with new data, and then all this option. As you can see, if I scroll down right here, it's the store analytic, which is very good. So this is a very great tool, guys. If I go to my Etsy store right now, if I find this, let's say this t-shirt, I want to get some data for this t-shirt, I can click on analyzing and then this tool will tell me how much this shirt make every month. So as you can see, this shirt been listing for 2 months, 14 favorite, and then 0 sale. But if I go to the store right here, then I can go right here on analyze shop, and then they will show me which shirt is making the most from this store. This is a golden retriever shirt. This shirt is making around 245 a month and sell. Then if I click right here, I can see the shirt on Etsy. This is what the shirt look like. Golden retriever with Christmas hat. So I think Midjourney can create this prompt. If you want the exact same design of this prompt, let me try if I can go to Midjourney to create this prompt. Let me go to Midjourney and slash imagine, and then I will paste the prompt and then type in Illustrator style. As you can see, here is a prompt: golden retriever Christmas light PNG Illustrator style with 4 dogs wearing Santa hat. As you can see, the result is not that bad. The first one, I think this one will do very good on a shirt. So that one will do very good. So if you guys want those designs, let me know. In the description, I will leave a link for them, and then I will remove the background and then leave a link for you guys to download them. So anyways, let's go back to Everbee. As you can see, right here is what it look like. So usually I use the extension where you can download the extension on the Google Store. I will leave the link for the extension as well. The extension is completely free to use. So later on, if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade your plan. So if you want to check any product on Etsy, so you can do it right inside of Everbee. So if you click right here on this, let me see. If you click on this shirt, let's say you want to check how much sale this shirt make, and then you can just click right here on analyzing, and then this shirt make $1,000 every month. So which is very, very good. So it listing for a long time ago, 34 months, which is almost 2 years now. So yeah, also you can analyze the full store. If you scroll down, you go to the store right here. It will tell you exactly how much sale this store generate, and then you can see if you go right here when this store was start. The store age is 38 months, and then the best selling product is, if you click right here, is this shirt. Be Kind shirt. They sell 51 sell from this shirt, and then they make $1,000 right here. This is some of the best print on demand tool out there, ever be. So you can click right here to go on Etsy to check the picture of this shirt. As you can see, is what the shirt look like. This design, guys, is very easy to create if you go to Creative Fabrica. So you can use Creative Fabrica to make those kind of design yourself. So this is some video for the design. Fast custom unisex. Oh, I think they use what that called. I think they use I forgot the name of this tool. Placeit. I think they use Placeit to make those markup. They look like Placeit. So anyways, guys, this is exactly a review of my design. If you guys interested on my design, you can just click the link in the description to check it out. Until next time, peace.